Okay guys, Alexi Balian here. I'm just going to work with part 2 of this tutorial. Well, we just recently unwrapped this block here, okay? And I'm just going to take it from just unwrapping this. So we're going to pretend there's nothing on here at this point and just go from there, okay? So I'm just going to minimize Maya. And this is roughly where we're going. Okay, it's a different style, very rough. I'm going to try to keep this under 20 minutes because these things do take some time. Okay, so we just finished showing you guys that the pillars, the cutting tool, and all that kind of lovely stuff. And at this point here, press F, here we go, and here's my piece like that. Okay, so we'll just take it. I'm going to keep it very simple. Eventually, just for the record, okay, all the stone pieces will be on one map, UV map, and then all the wood pieces will be on another one, and then maybe the stucco will be on another one. So we'll group all these things, and then we'll call it out properly. Right now, we're just learning piece by piece. Okay, you are in high school, not college. You're not in a game course somewhere. This is just fun, and we're having fun. Okay, we'll go from there. Okay, are you sure you want to permanently? Yes. See ya. Okay, cool. So I'm in Photoshop right now, and I'm taking it from here. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring in this the previous one I had made, and just for fun. So what I want to do is I want to like maximize my effort here. Okay, I've made this texture, so why don't I just simply take this into the one right here as a base? Why not, right? I'm just going to delete this for a second here. I was having fun with it. So this is what we're opening up from Photoshop, thanks to Maya. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be in my move tool here, and I'm going to drag this file onto here just for fun. There you go, and now you can't see it because it needs to be underneath. Second of all, I don't leave this at multiply, I do leave it at screen. So this is something I have, oops, wrong one, Command Z, layer 4. This is what I just dropped in, okay? So in reality, what I like to do is below this, I like to get the base color from here and just have a solid base background, okay? So we'll make a new layer, and it'll be right in between the two, or even below it. But I'm just going to go right now, get my eyedropper, pick this color. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh yeah, this is the new color, right? Let me just see this. G, come in here and just drop it. Oh, you know what I've done? I have a mask here. That's what's going on. Okay, cool. Um, here, let's just get rid of all this. One, two. What I had done basically, guys, I made a mask. So let's start with that then. Okay, so we'll bring in our quick selection tool. Okay, and what I'll do right now is I'll just quickly come in here and do this. And I don't know why there's kind of duplicates going on here. So I'll just hold Option and get rid of these guys. Say bye to these guys. And this is all out. You guys are out. Option. I'm deselecting some things here. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll just continue and just brush in here. Continue right there. And so essentially what I have is a selection outside what I really need. So I need to hold either for you guys Control Shift or Command Shift I. And now I'm in here. So basically what I've done on this base layer with the UV, I have a selection. As you can see right now, it's not, just going to touch it up a touch here. Again, I'm not holding Option or Alt. I'm just clicking, okay? So I noticed that this is kind of tight, so right now very close, so I want to expand it a touch. So I'll go to Select, Modify, Expand, okay? And I'll just go 1 pixel, see what 1 pixel looks like. Not bad. I may even go to 2. Actually, this is good enough. Okay, so now you notice that this is selected, right? So as you make a new layer, and let's say it's over here underneath, and what I want to do is just work in here. So if I take my brush tool right now, B for brush, and start, I said B. Oh yeah, I need to hide that layer right now. So I can go Command H, and that hides it. So I can come over here. Oh yeah, I can light it up. And for brush, so you see I'm not brushing anything outside the area that I've created. Okay, that's kind of nice, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is bring this up. I'm going to get my eyedropper tool, and what I'll do right now for this layer here, what I want to work in, get my paint bucket, G. And if you don't see that, Shift G. So you can just scroll through each item over you can see over here. So I'm going to pop that color down. So that's a base. Okay, that's what I have. What is the deal here? Okay, bye-bye. Just tap, 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 tap a few more times, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is cool. And what I can do as well, and I want to just maximize my effort as I was saying earlier. For example, you can see here, I can come in here with the marquee tool. I can take this, come in here, Command C, and come back to this layer, Command V, and it's here somewhere. So let me just hide it. Okay, I said hide, and there's the piece of V, and I can see how it is here. So I can come in here and really duplicate this all over the place. What's stopping me really when you think about it, right? It's on its own layer. You can hold Option, duplicate it, and duplicate it again. And you go Command T, Control T for you guys. There, rotate it. I said rotate. There you go. Okay, and again one more time. Return and Option one more time. Duplicate. Okay, so and I'll do this one more time just for fun, and pop it over here like that. All right, so you can see right now what I've done is I've actually I brought these layers in here. So this is quick and dirty, right? So I can select all these, and there's I type in Command E all the time. So merge these layers, becomes one. See, right there. So this is something I can take and again I can put it underneath that one, which is the one I want to work in. What's really cool about this? Which one is it now? Yeah, let's say we're here right now, right? I can come in here with the eyedropper, bring my B for brush. Speaking of brush, let's just come in here for a second. Let's see what we have. We have shape dynamics and hardness, size. See here. Okay, so what I don't like, I like that it just kind of tapers out. So that's cool. Hardness. Okay, so we're good. Spacing, you can see that. Transfer, shape dynamics, scattering. That's pretty awesome. I like that. I mean, less, more, that kind of thing. It's all fun, right, guys? So it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this, but have fun with these things in the future. Okay, so right now this is cool. Spacing, you can see, and not bad, right? So it's good enough. Anyway, I'm just gonna zoom in and start flying here. Oops, Command Z. I just press Command Delete. So I'm in this layer. Minimize this for now. And again, we're not going to really keep what I made here. So I'll just go I over here and reduce my brush size. And again, let's just simplify the opacity quickly. Maybe at 90-85 and reduce this a touch. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll just press I and come and just draw over it. Okay, and what I like to do for me is you can build everything from what you've previously created. Okay, so I can come in here and hide all this. Come in here, I, and kind of paint away. See what I mean? I can paint all this away. And really quickly, I basically recreated, the texture here for the pillar. Okay, so I can come in here with this eyedropper and start brushing this out. And, come over here. If I like a color that I see here, I can just kind of work with the values within that. And again, this is the value light to darkness. Okay, so eyedropper over here and just start playing around. Okay, so I'm just going to hide all these kind of details that kind of shows that things were symmetrical. And every time pick a color that's close to it and just go around and work through it. Okay, so really quickly, I've kind of done this. So what I'm going to do in the end, I'm going to make this super rough looking. Okay, so this is kind of polished looking. I again for dropper somewhere here. Okay, and maybe I'll keep some of this stuff here. It's good enough. Okay, so again, it's all looking somewhat different. I'll come in here. Okay, so this piece is here. It's not bad. I'm happy with it to some degree. I'm just going to work on the lines here, okay? And this time we're just going to really punch this up. Go light. I'm going to reduce my brush size, and let's see what I can do here. Brackets. And what I want to do, tiny. Okay, let's go down here, and I'm just going to come in here and just, like, I'm going to do this, like squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Okay, let's make this fatter. Touch So I'm just gonna, I don't want to do straight lines. I just want to like waver. Okay, so just come down and you know, waver, and just bring these lines, follow the guidelines from above, from our UV. Okay, like that. Okay, like that, a touch here. You'll see where this is all going to go eventually. Okay, so I'm just really doing this fast. Come over here, waver. What I can do is, wow, that was a little thick. So come across here, that, and touch there. You can see the difference in color, right? So really what you're doing is going over the white lines, because we're going to get rid of that layer altogether. Okay, so like really take your time, have fun with it, and what you will do is eventually we'll come in here and go up a touch brighter, and I'll just reduce the size, and so my highlights will